Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Liliza. Thank you for those who have subscribed, but for those who have not, please do so. I have a lot of Asian recipes which I would like to share with you all. So for today, I would like to share a fried chicken, one of the most popular fried chicken in Malaysia, where we call it a spicy fried chicken. So see the ingredients, please. Chicken, curry leaves, fennel, coriander, garlic and onions, ginger, lemongrass, beef curry powder, chili powder, sugar, salt, turmeric powder, cornflour, water, oil. Okay, first we blend the ground ingredient. Should I say dry ingredients? This is my coriander and also my fennel here. We grind it coarsely, not too fine. Okay, now it's ready, coarsely blend, and I'm going to pour this to here. For the wet ingredients, I'm going to blend all of this together. The onions, the garlic and the ginger, also our lemongrass. With all these ingredients, it gives the aroma to a good fried chicken. In Malaysia also they have varieties, a lot of types of fried chicken, but this is one of the most popular dish. Now I'm going to put everything inside. Add in some water, not too much, and we blend this till fine ingredient. Okay, we blend till fine. Okay, next we need to marinate the chicken. Put the blended ingredients inside here. Together with spices, the curry powder, the turmeric, chili. If you don't like to be spicy, you can just add some. And we take salt here. If you wish to add in some sugar, you can do so. And here is my dried ingredients just now. And the flour, we have the corn flour. This is to give the crispiness to the fried chicken. Okay, once it's combined, you just add in the chicken and marinate it for a while. You can always do it at night if you want to fry it tomorrow morning, because you put in the chiller. But here, after this, if you want to do it during daytime, probably 2 hours will be fine. Now we will combine everything together. Nice color, isn't it? Because of the turmeric and the chili powder and also the curry powder. The smell of the lemongrass is very, very aromatic. It's really very nice. And don't forget, the one that gives you something extra flavor is also from the curry leaves. So we can add in 3 sprigs of curry leaves here. And we can leave it for a while, say about 1 or 2 hours before we start frying. Okay, heat up the oil. Chicken is done. I'm going to take this out first. Second that's also done here. My second that's also done here. Okay, don't throw the balance of the spices. You can always, add this as a crumb, and you can just sprinkle over the chicken. So we don't know the ingredients. Okay, once you see it's crispy and golden brown, you can switch off. And you can just strain this inside here. This dish is very famous. Normally we serve this with our nasi lemak And also you can get it from the Indian shops and also from the hawkers food stalls. It's very, very popular. It's a very everyday dish. Day and night also people will take this fried chicken as for dinner or for breakfast or for lunch. So when you serve the crumbs that you fried just now, you just sprinkle it over, you know. So this is how you serve the chicken, right? And the fried chicken. This is the delicacy. Without this, it won't be as good. You must have the crumbs, you know. And it looks delicious. Fine. You don't need to put oil because you still have some chicken to fry. Here is my spicy fried chicken. Very simple and easy. Very spicy, aromatic, and also crispy with crumbs. So please, for those who like to try, don't forget to watch my YouTube channel Cooking with Lily Zai. Subscribe, share, and like, and press the bell button.